Abuja comedian so a NDC Oliver Barker from our on Nana Ziega together with TikTokers abes position John Mahama and NDC government so far as inflation any city rate air concern na so no enema bo ain't me from still enema bo air cost ro one best position Mahama me wan chire bu no chire wa dwen ama me e wo comment section how Penyah block media me so say need mo obe like video no that my subscribe button so na click notification for latest update na ba chire wa dwen da ma me e wo comment section. Let's also pass on voice on your be ashe. Now, Odin say Obagana Hanumwa, when it comes to the economic aspect of this country, Chinye bebrebe ewo ho. Ebisi Ghana economy, Jina naso. Ebisi just say there massa. She say every 2024 ebisi ne nothing has changed. Am this we go say aside dollar. Say you dollar free on more. Dollar free wa e deva dear partner he say Ghana in 2025 aside dollars what then as say Bibia is a busia. Only must say 204 year collection na inflation rate at 23%. And now dollar at 14.75 cedis to dollar. And that time no na yenim how na enema bo AC ejina e wo Ghana hanomo kenke na at 5 cedis and 7 cedis. You know calipo na at 5 cedis. And more 5 kg no na e be that 70, 75, 80 any other sa ko see 100 cedis. But currently, no, still, there be a whole da. Meanwhile, that same instance, no, inflation are falling. There's been a deflation because inflation a movie from 23% as of the year 2024 December, abedru as low as 9%. And you know, dollar, which was standing at a peak of 14.75 as of December 2024, no, has fallen to a rate of 11 cedis and I'm 10 and 11 hodom. I was saying, you know, you never determine the price of item on the market, a dollar or exchange rate, together with inflation, and then who are dear buo, the exchange rate that determines inflation, not according determine price on the market. I think in actual sense, in layman's understanding, a black dollar ever from na inflation air from no. In that same instance, it moves together with the price of goods on the market. But here's the case here. I was the office of dirty politics and because cinema boy abba form. Because of dirty because I intentionally did some examination on WhatsApp. Me posting flyer be randomly on WhatsApp on status. Now person me who amount for argument. Because I say, how much is a board of kenke in your area? And these were some of the responses which them said tema community 1 kenke ebuoni obichiremu Kaswa eda 7 cedis. Just say kenke eda so that 7 cedis and 5 cedis now say that 2024 the same thing. Calipo the same price. Just say niema ba ku mienu nyense bi pe na eso atete. And Ato Forson ko gina parliament so no ko read budget na oje no nyam say oh enema bo aba form and egus eba form any ade na eno ana Oliver Barker from awo na oye fix the country activist in the year 2024. It was alleged as a NDC ni pro NDC member because we kaya afanyuma can crack as it be akwa we be dance here. It is a notorious fact that Oliver Barker from our is a member of the NDC fraternity. As a afanyuma can crack hinting on the fact say Oliver Barker from our NDC ni lawyer in fact we lawyer. Well let's say NDC ni that 29th January 2025 year no Committee Appointment Committee, that is Oliver Barker, Committee Appointment Committee, or defeated that allegation against himself or NDC, or debunking that idea. But I don't want to say Oliver Barker, you can say me, and I will say, Enra, or take you to the Facebook page, and honor, and make it this particular post. I will tell you more. Last year, I was helping a friend find a property to rent. Just last year, or one down for my hair, if you be the theater, or bois, I'm here a damn be ahead. The property was listed at 10,000 cedis for rent. Just a dino no omu pen, but you listed down for 100 million, 10,000 cedis. It was out of his budget, but he liked it. So we are trying to get the landlord to accept 9,000 cedis for it. Just now, Aquana down from Nisika and so that 10,000. But don't say down to now omu any landlord do home commerce senka, be whom obona or bedje 90 million, just 9,000 cedis. Sadly, someone was ahead in the queue and got it. It's a year later. the property is back in the market. It is listed at $1,500. That is into parentheses nearly 17,000 cedis. Naturally, say a diner last year. Now on another for no person call rent. And friend Esika answer that time crana eda 10,000 cedis, but now no almost had about him. But at $1,500 or convert here nearly 17,000 170 million. At that time, it was 10,000 cedis. The dollar was 16, meaning the dollar equivalent would have been around $625. Today, the dollar is around 11 cedis, meaning the value of the rent should have been around 6,000 to 7,000. Something is broken about Ghana. I can't put my finger on it, but it's not working la. Just oh Debbie. People in Kosuye wa Ghana had more. People in Kosuye. But me who ne kano. But people in Kosuye, Ghana is not working again. And this is what Oliver Barker or ye legal practitioner. And or claims or ye face the country activist. Or be can effort inflation. Now over ya na Nana Ziega. Nana Ziega on UTV on also and same way and or kind.
Perspective yeah. Che President Mahama by Ena on the public servants ishai. On say abide public servant, the sector minister on the public servants ishai. Na ye beto to market a minimum wage.
Okay.
Na Kufuado buy in the first term or to 40%. So the BT. But about we buy February over to no. And or to 10%. And a Ghana for so montiasi. Adentina Nana Kufuado time or 40%. No we would 10%, but all my G. Ubia nye de ubia mohowa. And a Professor John Mahama and say President Mahama respected them to you. Almost no musim kunyano. And a President Mahama na drive free castle and now say Jubilee House. Eba meeting as better meeting as no power macho. Ahun Brasiano. So the BG.
Okay.
This is a common sense. In India. So the BG. They could have rebelled, but President Mahama no better na dinu bino. Ene kasa den wo de ye no. Ene ma de no tewa. Roland Chamatin oni gutafo ECBP. He called them indoors. And yes, successful not the Bible. Honorable Sam George could have applied that. Say, me who ni say, Ghana for dear Bini, I would DSTV for instance. It will be to me approach you secretly. No man indoor meetings.
Say be oye.
See, only almost Jojo or Minianum. I didn't board them do. So, it more yes, I know mana. Na omo jutu o ma nyan tumu na dia ba bonten.
Okay.
Omo wie no bibiete na dia ba bonten. Ba wo the first meeting na no what creating pressure be say. I say you are vowing to make sure say the subscriber fee no will be reduced. Yenya ne sa. Jamaica no acha say yenya ne sa. And no ne cover problem de man. Me perfect say ura Sam George ade na waye. The first reshuffle about President Mahama be reshuffle.
Oh no.
I'm telling you. They say tie me. Ade na waye. They say President Mahama reshuffle him. What that's my market to the world. Me na make sure. Che. Yeah, reshuffle na you know. She ma make some sure. Abai we buy no. Che bi a one person be kan kre. Ye free ADB foreign reserves. November last year, near foreign reserves here $8.3 billion. Say your foreign reserves within 8 months, I got $10.1 billion. $2 billion and I buy the account. Your foreign exchange, say dollar, you back to a banana dollar 14.3. Say dollar 12 point something. Jamaican watch I say, I buy na idea. Inflation, you back to a ban. Now inflation was 21.3. Say inflation was 9.4. So the BT, but listen to me. Today, uko jomwa me status pyramid de tomatade. You better abano na 40 cities. Say 55 cities where are the same store. So the BT, fufu ayedi and the baby or cry fufu you 10 cities. But you better abano you 10 cities. The same place that I'm talking about. In Kuto, So ekuta mesra. Konkumu die no. Ye beto aba no. Na 5 cities. And about 7 cities and 10 cities and 15 cities. Empress TV. Maame na me tonkuto no ho La Paz. Maame ne say, we be say madam, inflation no enye tutu no mamu gidigidi. Abaya yade eye den na mu de bia opese onoma wo se obo de car de kofa chas na me kani you. Ye obo se car sika no. But meanwhile, you have to take care of so it means that it could be that some people in the system sabotaging the system.
Okay.
Jamaica, what I say? That is where we have to fish them out. And then DSTV. See, those days, no, Tamana, President Mahama Ato communication, ya dear you buy mobile phone such a bagana. You will spare you phone one touch. So, you know, one touch.
No, one touch. No, boss, yes.
My sister autonomy dear 500 Ghana cedis. At that time, 96, 90, a bit over there 10 million, which is 1,000 Ghana cedis.
With 1,000.
There was no competition at that time.
At that time.
It's Moana MTN for buy. That's a space phone to Ariba to MTN. And a Zen, Madame Esclaus Sumo Kofa Zen, EDP Saudi Arabia buy. When the competition is very tough, after you go to airport, I know they chout. Cheap on any ton, nobody chow free. Why? The DSTV multi-choice phone, they don't have competition. You understand? They don't have competition in the country. So what you as a minister, what do you have to do? Create competition for them.
Okay.
Okay. Where enjoy the monopoly and where your company be treat toward the man buying. It means say na me person me deje. What do you mean? This is how I want to be person me deje. Was it not that be a club say it could be that country that we are talking about. Some of the countries now are more born into see a board. It could be that they have a consumer protection law protecting them. We don't have any. It was said I'm the budget. So bet me a jay ultimate a jai.
Okay.
Jamaican what I say. Yenny Timipiano. We are subscribed to DSTV. Omo Muntimin piano. They said they wouldn't do it. Jubilee House of also Muntimipia DSTV. Ome jai you sumebo. Yes, more be by obisi obetimi. Oye nam one. Debiana me kasa asemusi. Nam one issue beba. What is no obia me kasa nam one eburida. Before Mr. Ofura Tamo best start omu ye. What is obi kasa nam one eburida? Ah? Until somebody banwa ye na nkofo ya se nam one ebunipa. Ba no obi an complain da. What is obi be kasa DSTV for mo tete mo issue no bo da. Me da me TV da. Oh, there be beba. Maintain self organize the year and the DSTV no body no. Jamaican what I
say DSTV.
Oh yes, I have used DSTVs.
Say I never go see you.
Because you see DSTV.
It's oh.
Now DSTV is here do na. I just do. They do one.
There. Every month too.
Oh there.
Every month.
You see premium or not paddy.
Oh, premium. No bedroom come by on my phone. I don't want to go there.
Oh no, so okay, we different. Premium plus
any.
So paddy near yes subscriber. Premium say.
I would just be cheap. And you know, what I'm saying is, and you know that you so who bet me a who a jai. That's it. We have the places here bet me the who are there ako. And the son to call we say. So, and the son to call we say.
Na to fa TikToker media ne so a we ni sima omuso eka
ya na nkwasiafo be na omse ya tete mo so no agimifo ma be no no mo be na ya tete so mo be na ya amudi mo be na motodi moto mo be na ya motodi mo agimi mo na ya tete so a mo se ya tete so adigi 60 cities no saa mo no ya akoto na tugu nkuko okora so mbedi a mo 60 cities no ota toma nkokọ na hwesi omu bedi a me emu a mi di no still yasa akura tum ne kọ 1.7 yasa to emu na mi die nu odo okọ aso to ayi cook enjoy senya ayi 1.7 a 170 cedis ujina o se atete eniyema so enipa ni muma ni ye wo twefa ne bo wasesa Ghana sika nyina de ahye dollar na se ama dollar no ate aba fom so yehunu ye ho ano ye ka mo me nka ne ya tete mo so chimifo mu sister cities no wodi menwan kuro mo bewe wodi menwan kuro mo bewe mo na wontena ho na mununu mo ho se na mo nsere munye bibi papa mi mo ba ye mo ye bibi papa bi a kaka evintera nko so le no hu dawuro no obebo still na da bia ma metwe ugimi won kankan mo dira so asifin na jimifo si aburuchiri no keka kwa sia we so de a wasu atu kwa nani ate mununu mo ho NDC fo na mo nsere na mo be ku opposition pa ma mo ankasa mo di besua nyanza eno mama
2026 budget and now my round table and now crack it to the senior high school ni ya training inflation at least what one some baby san kwa bi onim definition no kra da and obe bisa e panel na say what say inflation e kofom now so okoto one bell active was a bell akwa was nsuo bi last year 2024 inflation 23% no 25 cities. This year say 8% and so 26 cities na say ade na buo kwosoro enu nti no empanyimfo nchiro ni mu die nti a inflation confirm na enuema buo kwosoro.
Prof Sheriff was touting the government for them bringing inflation down to 8%. In 2024, inflation was 23%, but in 2024, when I need to buy the Aqua Active, it was at the price of 5 cedis. But right now, inflation is at 8%, but the Aqua Active have increased to 6 cedis. So I don't understand. So I want for you to please explain for me. Thank you.
Instead, Sapa Panabenya, General Class and what John home 1 second, and after the mamma. Na main process at the end of trim. Na main question, answer. Na me mum, Debbie. Akorani bisa question na demo fo nyina bo mo nsam a kire se omu nyina akra confused nti saa mre ni mu no e na wasa wo a wo ye educated wo information no utumi tenase na wo mma mu emuaya ebe mo nyante ase no mu kra akwa kire afoforo amomo so ate ase papa na anya ne saa o.
There's no direct correlation between that and price. So you might find all it happens is that it creates an enabling environment for functionality to happen within the economic space and to have some expansions and contractions where it could be positively used or not. So I hope that is answered.
Obia why economics the bia nim say inflation there and prices them. If we say definition of inflation, no, you what in senior high school crown, you say persistent increase in the general price level over a period of time. Na chese akwala bia wa bon kra why economics that there inflation definition there onim the bia mi kire mu say inflation at say car speed prices any inflation enam enu speed our prices in mu no enu ne fe inflation enu car ni speed air con acceleration no enu ne inflation no and unti sekani move na akwapa echeje inflation na akwacheza prices ekosoro sekani accelerating ekwa speed mo a echeje inflation ekosoro so utia break na slow down echeje inflation ekofom echeje speed the prices ni mu no ekofom ba eno nkyerese ya cheche nioma so ekyerese nioma ekosoro de na nso speed ankare ba kosoro no so ate ena eba sa da bia me kire sa de we say mu na wanya opportunity oba kire homo no mati asia say inflation that 8% or total last year that 23% and kire say yatete ne ma so na emom enuoma boasi de se kosoro 10 no eno na akofom kakra speed the woman no akofom oba kire omu no wo ka kire say prices akra na eye inflation eni twaka bia. Just a winning definition of inflation. Hey!
One thing I find fascinating about that question is you're very posh students. I mean, a student to be drinking Belacqua Active, eh? You must be posh. That's just by the way, right? It's a joke. Don't take it seriously.
Papa ni joke on my and then the answer the man or person say Adiana abofra ni bodin no a luxury good I calculate inflation yɛmfa saa luxury good say cars akɛseɛ Shatawale Lamborghini ne nasefo no ɛmfa nka ho ɛfiri sɛ ɛno ne nyɛ nneɛma nkrɔfoɔ ɛtae ɛtɔ ɛno nti yɛmfa nkɔ calculate nneɛma boa mɛka sɛ nneɛma boa yɛ den na mmom yɛfa nneɛma nkrɔfoɔ tae tɔ nyɛ de awuram nti ɔbɛ so ɔkyerɛ sɛ saa bell ɛho akwa o sɛ active o sɛ ho no ɔno no ɛda ɛyɛ luxury good a yɛmfa ɛnka ɛno kwa so wankyerɛ mo ɛyɛ no sɛ ɛne akora ɛwɔ sika o ɛne ɔbɛka sɛ nneɛma boa koraa na inflation ni twaka kyerɛ sɛ onim deɛ wɔkeka mpo
Beto achire wa adwen ama me ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media. Akra.